If you guys saw my forehead the week I was breaking out, some of you will be very kojad, okay? Very, very shook. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to start this video out with a very big apology. Guys, I'm really sorry. Like, I wasn't supposed to be gone for as long as I was gone. I actually planned stuff out. Like, see, let me tell you, the last 3 or 4 videos that I uploaded, I actually uploaded those while I was away. However, I just ended up like staying away for longer than I thought I would. A couple of reasons. First of all, my sister had surgery. If you watch my vlogs, you're going to know my little sister Uju, she did have surgery and she's doing a lot better now. So like that kind of threw me off and I couldn't leave my mom with her. You know, I was like, oh my god, I planned to be gone for this period of time, and you know, I had content for this period of time, and now I don't have my mother was like, so you want to leave me with this girl here? Is that what you're trying to say? You want to go back home and leave me with this girl? I was like, okay, sorry. Uju is literally my baby. And aside from that, I also had a couple of things that I had to sort out personally. And I had a couple of doctor's appointments myself. And I just want to let you guys know that I'm so happy right now because I'm doing a lot better than I was. Like this time last year, 2017 for me was better than 2016. This year so far, where I'm at right now, like I was in nowhere here last year, and for that I'm really thankful. So I just want to tell you guys, really for those of you who kind of know about my issues that I am dealing with and know that my healing and all of that is gradual, I want to let you guys know that I'm doing a lot better. You know, that's what everything is pointing towards. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial. It was supposed to be a first impressions, okay? I filmed the first impressions yesterday, but then it didn't turn out well. It was just like I was just looking at the clips when I finished yesterday night. I was like, what's this? But I feel like today's video might actually just be a lot better because I literally wore my makeup for the whole of yesterday. So I already know the things that I don't already like from this stash. So I'm going to point out what they are as we go. Hello, fill my brows in real quick just to speed things up. I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette. Oh, sorry, this just fell out of here. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a Norvina eyeshadow palette and it looks like this. This is the latest one from them. The entire thing has like matte eyeshadows in this section here and then shimmer shadows in this section here. And the shimmer eyeshadows are really, really pigmented because I swatched them yesterday. And can you guys see just how pigmented these are? They are super, super pigmented, guys. And then the matte ones are pigmented as well. I don't even know if you guys can see this, my swatching, but the only thing that I don't really like about this palette is the fact that the matte colors, I just wish that they had darker colors in here. Taking this shade here, this is a very like warm brown shade. It's called Eccentric. And I'm going to pop this right into my transition area. If anyone is curious about the little dark spots that I have on my forehead, fam, the week that I got to the abroad, I started breaking out. I don't know if it was the abroad weather and it didn't make sense because is it not supposed to be fresher? I don't really know what I was reacting to, but then that first week I just had a couple of breakouts on my forehead, but then the whole thing, it looks a lot better now, okay? If you guys saw my forehead the week I was breaking out, some of you will be very kojad, okay? Very, very shook. And it's not like I changed anything. You know, the breakouts just came from nowhere and then they've gone back to wherever they came from. So I'm going to try to use as much of these colors as I can. The first one that I'm going to go in with is this one here called Wild Child. Guys, these shimmer colors are so pigmented that you don't need a base. They are so pretty, so soft and super pigmented. I'm telling you guys. So I'm going to apply the shade here next. It's called Drama. On this line here, where the two colors meet, I'm going to apply this one here called Rose Gold. Okay, so to add some depth to my crease, I'm going to take this shade here called Passion. This one is called Dreamer. With a very small eyeshadow brush, I'm going to pop this into my tear duct area. Okay, so to set my brow bone area, I'm going to use this one here, and this one is called Base. And these eyeshadows are so pigmented, including this one. If you're not careful, I'm going to line my waterline real quick, and I'm going to use an eyeliner pencil from Smashbox. This one is their always on gel liner in Fishnet. This is actually one of the first things that I have ever tried from Smashbox, okay? They have a lot of popular products which I have never tried. The one thing that I would say about this eyeliner is that it's really, really soft and it glides on smoothly. However, is it the blackest pencil liner that I've used before? No. My Maybelline Kajal is a lot blacker than this one. My MAC Technical eyeliner, the one that I use all the time, is a lot blacker than this one, but then it's a decent eyeliner and it just glides on really smoothly. And it doesn't sting my eye, and it lasts all day because I wore it throughout yesterday and it didn't smudge. So I'm going to be using this pair of lashes. I got these from AliExpress and I'm actually trying these ones on for the first time. Before that, I'm going to apply some mascara. This is my Clinique high length mascara as usual. This is my baby. I love this mascara so much. This is a brand new tube. Yeah, I love this pair of lashes. I just love it when like my lashes wing out. I really, really love it when they do that. So before I move back, because that's what I normally do, I move myself back physically. I'm going to prime my face real quick and I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be using to prime. And it's this. No, is it? Yeah. So it's this. It's the Smashbox Photo Finish Iconic Primer Stick. I have never used any of the Smashbox primers and they have a lot of popular primers, even the spray ones. But this is the first one that I decided to try. And this one, according to them, kind of blurs out your pores and makes them less visible, and it also controls oil for about 12 hours. And if you're wondering what it looks like this. Okay, it's like a white wax stick. Does that even make sense? So I'm just going to apply this, especially in all the areas where I have visible pores. I really don't think that this does like any magic when it comes to like making your pores disappear. However, I noticed that my skin just felt matte, like in a kind of soft type of matte, and this primer feels like a lot of the silicone primers that I have tried. Okay, so what I do is I just like apply it like this, and then I use my hands and then I kind of just massage it into the skin. For my foundation, I'm going to be using NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, and with this particular foundation I am in the shade Sienna. If you don't know anything about this foundation, or if you've not heard anything about it, it was a collaboration between Alyssa Ashley and NYX. The only thing to say though with this particular shade is that it's not a perfect shade for me, but then again it's not so bad that I cannot use it. It's one of those things that once you highlight and contour properly, it's not really an issue anymore. The finish that you get with this is amazing. I'm just going to really stress that because it's kind of like a soft type of matte that I remember looking at my skin yesterday after applying this foundation, and normally if I use a foundation that is matte, even my beloved MAC Studio Fix Fluid, it always settles into this line that I have here and it kind of emphasizes it a bit. I don't know why it emphasizes, and like I almost bit my tongue trying to say that, but then with this is not the case at all. I know that some of you are probably wondering, Dimma, why didn't you do anything about your spots before applying the foundation? I just wanted to show you guys the type of coverage that you get with this. My spots, you can still see them just a little bit, but then they're not that obvious anymore. So it kind of gives you guys an idea just how much coverage you get with this foundation. So the next product that I'm going to be showing you guys is the MAC Studio Fix Concealer. I was really, really, really excited when I saw and heard that the MAC was coming out with this, because you guys know that MAC Studio Fix Fluid is literally my all-time holy grail favorite foundation in this world. Okay, so I was really excited about this. However, after using this yesterday, I just really wish that I had just gone with my guts and had gotten NW43, because I'm an NW45 when it comes to MAC. So I wish that I had gotten an NW43 because the lady at the counter, she kept on talking about oxidizing and all of that, and she really pushed me to get an NW40 to highlight with. And guys, an NW40 is actually really light. Can you guys see? And one thing that I realized yesterday again was that this is one of those concealers you have to work really quickly with. It's not like one of those ones that will dry before you even finish applying, but it dries really quickly. I'm going to be blending it out, and I'm going to be using this amazing blending sponge from Sonia Kashuk. But I am so glad that I got this, really. I know that it was Samantha. If you don't know who Samantha is, I'm going to put her channel name out here. But I remember when the whole beauty blender brouhaha happened some months back, when they came out with what I don't understand as shades of foundation. Let me tell you guys that if there was anything that has hurt me this year in terms of brands just messing up, it was that beauty blender shade range. There are very few brands that have gone hard for the way that I've gone hard for beauty blender, because their blending sponges are always really good. After they came out with that foundation shade that in my opinion just told me that we don't care, we don't care about you. I started looking for like other blending sponges to try, and I remember that Samantha did this really nice thread. I think I saw it on Twitter. She basically recommended 2 brands that did really good like makeup sponges, okay? And I know that she said something about Sonia Kashuk, and Sonia Kashuk isn't a UK brand and they're not here in Nigeria, so I was really looking forward to getting one of their sponges when I went to the States, and I'm really glad that I got this, because guys, this thing is so good and so soft, and I don't really know why there are not a lot of people talking about this, considering that it's not as expensive as the Beauty Blender, but it's a really good blending sponge. To contour, I'm using my Black Opal Stick Foundation in Carob. You guys have seen me use this a lot here on this channel. However, yesterday I actually did not use this. I used this cream contour palette that I got. This one is from Black Radiance. I used this yesterday and I didn't really like it. It was so difficult blending this out. So I was like, I'm going to show you guys this and tell you guys that I did not like it so much and use something else to contour this time around. So to set my highlighter, I'm going to be using this setting powder from Beauty Bakerie. I really wanted to try stuff from Beauty Bakerie, okay? I ended up getting 3 things. One was like a glitter primer thing that I don't even know where it is right now. And then I got this, and I got this foundation here. I really wanted to get the foundation. This was even the main thing that I wanted to get. Okay, so this is upside down. It looks like this. So it's their Cake Mix foundation, and I got this in the shade 17. I went on their website and I did the whole shade comparison thing. They didn't really have any foundation that was the shade equivalent for MAC NW45, so I decided to come on YouTube and look at what the people that I normally use as shade reference would use with this particular foundation. And a lot of people were saying 17, and then 17 came and 17 was this dark. I was so confused. This is way too dark for me. I cannot use it. I'm not even sure what to do with this foundation now. I was really sad because I really wanted to try this, but I got their setting powder, so that is what I'm going to be using now. I got the yellow one. Considering that my highlighter was just like lighter than I would normally have it, I'm going to use a brush to apply this. I'm not going to bake at all. So to set my contour, I'm going to be using my Milani pressed powder in Earth Glow. I love this powder so much that this is literally my second one, okay? The first one is gone. Setting my entire face with my Milani pressed powder in Earth Medium. Before going in with a powder highlighter, I'm going to use this cream highlighter that I got from Iman. And this is their luxury highlighter, and it's in the shade Gold Digger. I like to apply this on my cheekbones just to help my highlighter pop. I'll be using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Gold Deposit. Got this blush palette from ABH, and it's their blush trio in Berry Adore. I'm going to tell you guys straight up that I love this so much. I used it yesterday and I just couldn't believe how soft and pigmented and everything that this palette was. The colors are really amazing. I'm going to be using the color right in the middle. This one is called Exotic. To finish up with the eyes, I'm going to apply some of the colors that I have on my lid, on my, what's it called? Lower lash line. I'm going to apply some mascara. Okay. So to finish everything up with this look, I'm going to line my lips with NYX's lip pencil in brown. I can't believe that I haven't used this on this channel yet, but this lipstick is from Golan. I really love it. This one is the number 77. And have you guys seen a yellow lipstick before? No, but I love this so much. It is very sheer and it has a lot of shimmer in it. So I just love it for the days that, you know, I want my lips looking mysterious. And after that, what I like to do is to go over it with something that has like a gloss that has shimmer in it as well. This one is from Pixie's collaboration with Chloe Morello, and it's their lip icing in Cake. I feel like I shouldn't leave without telling you guys that the colors you get with this palette are amazing. The packaging, I am not a big fan of. I can't believe I haven't said this up until now, but just so you know, in case you don't, the packaging is suede. I'm not sure how it's pronounced, but it's a type of fabric, and I've used this only 2 times, and you guys can see that I already have obvious stains. Like, 2 times and I already have obvious stains. I'm a very like messy person when it comes to applying makeup. I'm very good at cleaning up after myself. However, the process itself is always messy for me. So this is just 2 times and I feel like the more I use this, the uglier it will get. So it kind of upsets me a bit, but no, bear this in mind when you're getting this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. My next video is going to be a vlog because I know that some of you are waiting. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.